I have INFINIX Zero 5 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the phone's dialer and let's use the secret code *# pound *# 4636 pound *#. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information, and here you can read signal strength, IMEI number, data service, and other stuff. You can also here run a ping test or use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, get PDP list, or enable data connection. Let's go back. Here you can also open usage statistics. Here we've got a list of apps and you can read last time used and usage time. You can also here go back and select here the Wi-Fi information. Here you've got access to Wi-Fi API when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks, or get connection info. You can also choose Wi-Fi config, and here you can see configured networks. Alright, let's use back key and select Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh or stats or run a ping test. Use back key again. Now it's time to quit this mode. Let's open now calendar info. So let's use here *# pound *# 225 pound *# and the calendar info just pops up in front of you. Let's use back key. Now let's open here Google Play service. So let's here use *# pound *# 426 pound *# and Google Play services just pops up. Here you can read ping, connect, disconnect, or events. Use back key again and let's use the following code *# pound *# 759 pound *# and here Debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs, change OEM mode, and read other stuff about your device. Let's use the back key and it's time to open the IMEI mode. So let's use *# pound 06 pound. So IMEI mode just pops up. Tap OK to close this window and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.